Yes, start. Your time starts now.
Yes, sir. Good evening. So our team name is Chimera, and the logo is shown in the screen. So Chimera, it's a Greek, according to Greek mythology, it's a creature which has a head of lions and a body of a goat and a tail of a serpent. And according to the science, it's a single organism that's made up of different cells, like two or more of cells. So, like the Greek mythology, our team also has like how a single creature has a different ability and different features in a single creature, like lion's head. And the same way, our group also has a different people who have different ideas and different thinking capacity. So, yeah, every people think on their own way and come up with the decisions. So yeah, that's what makes us unique, like how the creature Chimera has. So on that basis, we have kept the name for our team as a Chimera.
Okay,
and as you
good.
can see, our logo consists all the letters of the Chimera. You can see.
Yes, you can go
And the
for
main
your
tagline of our group is to like be a unique, a blend of uniqueness. Like everyone is a unique and think of their own way. That's it.
Okay, good. Then you can go for introducing your members.
Yes, introduction will be done by Sahana. Over to you, Sahana.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Sankit. Now I'm going to introduce our team members. And this is Sahana here. And next is Neha, Chair of Labs, the second person. And the next is Mr. Shailesh Bhatt. And next, Mr. Sankit Yashadi. These are our team members. And the next, Sneha.
In social media.
Yes, sir.
Our Instagram handle, which consists of 118 followers. And
already you are having 118 followers.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
and it's
nice.
growing, sir. Still growing.
Oh, nice. But I have not seen.
We couldn't find you on Instagram, sir.
You can. That means you are not known my name in Instagram.
Yeah, sir.
I am having a separate name.
I'll search for you, sir, after this.
Anna's LinkedIn profile, sir.
Okay.
This is my LinkedIn profile. And this is the LinkedIn profile of Shailesh and Sanket. So, sir,
they are not mention anything about the team name. Team name you are nicely given in the. Okay.
Sir, and this is the aim of our team, sir. That is not to compete against others, but with ourselves to bring out the best in us.
Oh, nice. Not to compete with others. So you are not ready to compete with others, huh?
Not like this.
Okay.
It is to compete within ourselves to bring out the best in us.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, nice. You have introduced the members, and I'm able to see the LinkedIn. And in future, I have to see your LinkedIn profile with your posters. Okay.
Sure.
You are nicely given the name. Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
The teams introduced nicely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Move on to the next. You can unshare, stop sharing. Good. Let us move on to the next team. I think C. Then we'll come to B. Sunil is there. My friend Sunil is there. Sunil, are you there? PK Sunil.
Yes, sir. I am.
Good, Sunil. Sunil, Santosh Babu. Where is Santosh? Santosh Babu is missing. Yamini is there. Or two Yamini. Yamini Rajkumar.
Yes, sir.
Then Yamini Kalivela.
Yes, sir.
Where is she, ma? Kalivela is absent.
Sir, I'm here.
Oh, you are here. Something your face is looking different, ma.
Maybe because of light, sir.
Light. Okay, over lighting. No only. Okay.
But
For
she
me.
are using some logo, I guess, from behind.
No.
I'm using.
Turn off that logo, then you're face it.
Okay. Good. Sunil is there. Santosh Babu still missing. Sunil, you can call. Was Santosh Babu is in waiting room now. You can ask them.
Let him.
I already permitted, but he is not joining.
So give me 1 second. I'll just call him.
He will join. I already given permission. Yes, I think he joined. Check.
Yes, I'm checking.
Santosh Babu, are you there? Santosh Babu. What happened? Okay. Okay, your time starts now. Start.
Good evening to one and all. So I'm Yamini Rajkumar and our team name is Phoenix. So before describing our reason, let us know about the story of Phoenix. Why? Because it was believed that each Phoenix bird lived for 500 years. And when it was about to die, it collected some twigs and spices like cinnamon and constructed a nest. And then it calmly sat on the nest and waited for a ray of the for in the early morning sun to set fire to the nest. The bird fearlessly faced its fiery death and did not make any effort to escape from the burning nest. Soon after the phoenix was reduced to ashes, a worm used to come crawling out of the ashes, and within no time, it metamorphosized into a new, beautiful little phoenix. It then carried its further ashes to the temple of Sun God for burial. Then the majestic bird then went to live in Arabia, where it lived for next 500 years, and then the cycle was repeated.
A phoenix is a mythical bird with colorful feathers and a tail of gold and scarlet. In the ancient Greek and Egyptian mythologies, it is described as a large bird, much like an eagle, with supernatural powers to come back to life. The appearance of this bird has been described differently in different cultures. Then, everywhere, the phoenix bird is looked upon as a symbol of immortality, rebirth, and life after death. Be inspired by this legendary story. That's the reason behind our name Phoenix and our tagline Ignite and Inspire. Next. This is our Instagram page. Next.
Okay.
Currently have 62 followers. And
Whether your classmates or outsiders.
Sir, we don't have 62 in our own class.
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, Mohan, next.
Santosh LinkedIn profile, sir. And it
is
we have posted it, sir. Posters.
Posters you have posted. Okay, nice.
We usually have put it into LinkedIn.
This
Now,
Yamini, sir.
Yeah, I'm Kalivela Yamini. I'm from Vijayawada and brought up in Koppal, Karnataka. I'm learning minded Kristu Jayanti College, Autonomous, pursuing MBA. My standard attributes are resilient, ambitious, quick learner, etc. Thank you.
Okay, good. 173 views are there.
Yes, sir.
But whether I viewed that one?
I have connected, so still you didn't connect me back.
Okay, ma, I'll show.
Sir, and this is me, Yamini Rajkumar, and this is my LinkedIn profile. I have 83 views and 11 likes. So I'm Yamini Rajkumar, born in Mysore, and I'm pursuing currently MBA in Kristu Jayanti College. And to stand out about me, I'm reliable, adaptable, and friendly.
Okay, good. Next.
Hi, sir. Sunil here.
Yes.
My posts have reached 238 views, 22 likes, and 2 comments, sir.
Oh, nice. What are all 2 comments?
All the best and go ahead with your group, sir. By the fellow team of A and B section.
Oh, nice. 238 views from any person from other country?
Yes, sir. My brother actually.
Oh,
he lives
nice.
abroad, so he's putting like there.
Oh,
and
nice.
also his fellow mates from abroad.
Oh, nice. Good. Then Santosh.
Yes, sir. I would like to provide the attributes connecting to our logo. That is
Mm.
invincible, passionate, immutable attitude, and versatile.
Mm. Good. So you will prove yourself as the phoenix. Huh?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
we are
And
We'll
invincible.
see. Ah,
this is our
okay.
aim.
Mm.
Guide,
So the
expertise,
aim of our
rule
logo is guide, expertise, rule towards business aspects, sir.
Good.
At last,
So,
I want to say a few words, sir.
mm,
Phoenix is immortal, invulnerable, resurrection. As our team resembles similar qualities, by these we can overcome the iron which burns the flesh of Phoenix. Thank you, sir.
okay, nice. One Santosh Babu is missing.
There are network
Yes,
issues.
sir. He has network issues, sir.
Okay. Yes, now you can start your introduction. Yes, you can start.
Yes, sir. Rise above the storm and you will find the sunshine. Good evening to one and all present here. I, Ms. Rosemary Francis, feel glad to present our team for the Samvad activity. We destroy arguments and every lofty opinion against the audience and take every thought captive to captivate them. So here we are all set to introduce our team, the Captivators crew. It means attractive and interesting in a way that holds your attention. And here is our team logo, which depicts to rise above the rest and to captivate. Next, we move on. I call Vicky to introduce our team further activities.
So this is the team members. The team members are Rosemary, Vasavi Gada, Vignesh D, and myself Vicky R. So this is our Instagram page. Currently, we have 88 followers in Instagram, and we have also uploaded a poster, and it has 50 likes.
Oh,
And,
first
this-
itself 50 likes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who liked that one mostly?
Sir, like not our college members, sir, not our classmates.
Oh, good.
Majority are from outsiders. Sir.
Good.
Yes,
You are
sir. So
UG friends.
might be, sir.
Yes, good.
Okay, so this account is created by Vasavi and handled by Vasavi. And our LinkedIn profiles, as sir said, to create LinkedIn profiles, we created LinkedIn profiles. So this is Rosemary LinkedIn profile. This is Vasavi Gada LinkedIn profile.
But you have not posted anything there. Huh?
Sir, actually, we have posted our logo. Today we posted our logo. And we have, like, I have given follow request to you. You still didn't see, I guess, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. So this is Vignesh D LinkedIn profile.
Okay.
And this is my LinkedIn profile. So since we are new to LinkedIn profile, as we created very recently, we have less connection, which will be increased very soon. And we also posted a team logo in LinkedIn profile. So the team aim will be set by Vasavi.
Oh, nice. Captivators. Huh? Okay, but good. That is another nice presentation. Start. Nice presentation. I think background is nice. Yes, you can start, Ma.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Sir, am I audible?
Yes,
sir?
yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Our team name is Explore More, and myself, Rachita A. Firstly, I would like to say the meaning of our team name. Explore More. Explore More means exploring something in a particular field. From our birth, we are experiencing many things. We are experiencing many things, and by which we are exploring many things, and this is what leads to our knowledge improvement. Next slide. Yeah. From our birth, we learn through experience and we can make better decisions tomorrow for this information we have unearthed today. By this, we can say whatever we experience now and explore now can be an example for tomorrow. So being an inspiration to others is a great thing. Next slide. Our team members. Sandhya, you as a coordinator. Rachita A as implementer. Vikas Yadav as creative director. And Sanjeev Mandal as research investigator.
Very nice.
And
You have mentioned clearly what they are going to do. Good.
And we have also created a Instagram page where we have posted our logo, and I would like everyone to follow our page. Next slide. And we have LinkedIn profiles individually.
But here it shows MES College of Arts and Science. Or Sandhya.
Sir, I just now
Okay, okay. Your previous college.
I have not updated, sir. I'll update it actually.
Oh, okay, okay. Proceed.
And Rachita, myself. Vikas Yadav M.
Why Vikas photo is not there?
So I have just updated the photos, sir.
Oh, okay.
And Sanjeev M.
Oh, nice.
And our main aim is to learn more and explore more in various fields. And last but the least, until you cross the bridge of your insecurity, you can't begin to explore your possibilities. Thank you.
Okay. Whether you posted all these things in Instagram or in LinkedIn?
No, sir. Now we have to post.
Okay, good. I like that one because you mentioned nicely who are all going to perform all these duties. Okay. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This team name is, I personally, on my opinion, is that every time when we take up any activity, it's not sure that we'll win it or achieve something. It's always about what you learn. As they say, failure is a skipping stone towards success. So, so the entire team chose this name so that even if we don't come out of doing it, we are not able to do it the best. We're not able to perform from others' perspective. Still, we put our hard work in and try to overcome the obstacles in the next time, the next opportunity that is given to us. And our motto is
yes, cheer up souls.
Yes, sir.
Why you have mentioned souls? Cheer up souls. Why you mentioned importance to souls? You are mentioning a dark blue color. Is there any significance?
Not exactly, sir, but yeah, like we try to help others.
Okay, good.
Soul is the basic energy of life, life as we call it.
Yes, proceed.
And then, my name is Ruben. As I'm a part of the member of this group, I'm basically doing my MBA right now in Christy Jayanti College. Previously, I've done my BSc in Indian Academy Degree College. I'm from Bangalore itself.
Okay, but the slides are not moving.
I'm not sharing it, sir. Shivaranjani has to move it.
Shivaranjani.
Okay, sir. Let them take it over, sir. I'm not able to.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, I'm able to hear your voice.
Sir, there's some issue with my laptop. I'm not able to share this.
Some issues with you. I hope you might have sent the PowerPoint to others. Okay, others can proceed. Other than here.
Sir, is it okay if I share it from the phone?
Yes, you can share.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
But before that, they have to stop sharing. Hmm. Yes, what happened?
Sir, can the other team perform? I'll just share 1 minute.
You are unable to share.
Yes, sir. I'll just share after the other team finishes.
Okay, I'm starting.
Yes, start.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, my friends. Myself, Tejaswini HM. I take utmost pride to introduce my team as Team Pride. As the name suggests, Team Pride, we decided as a tagline, born to rule, not to be ruled. Change. The team logo, why we decided the team logo as lion is because one of the main reason is the lions always live in pride. So as the name resembles the pride of lion, so we decided to choose lion as our team logo. Coming to our team motto, the main intention of keeping the team motto as none of us is as smart as all of us, which suggests us that how important the teamwork and hard working is. We believe in coming together is beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. So our collaborative effort and hard working, we tried to achieve something which is impossible. That is our main objective and me. As you all can see, right now our followers are 172 currently.
172, good.
Yes, sir. Now, my fellow Pride member, Mr. Uday Kumar, would be speaking a few words about reasons why we choose the team name.
Okay, good morning, sir. I mean, good evening, sir, and good evening, my dear friends. So I will be explaining the actual reason why we chose the name Team Pride. As we all know, lions tend to live in a pride. They always have each other's back when they're in a pride. The lions have a characteristics of dominance, bold, and they are the ruling members of the animal kingdom. So lions are the top listed predators. Though they possess such great strength, they know when to use their paws. Only when it's necessary, they use their paws, either to hunt the animals, or to defend their territory, or to defend their royalness. Only the times when they need it, they will use their strength. And coming to this, claiming as a king is not a big deal, but maintaining the position and the consistency makes a lot of difference. The lions have been the king of the animal kingdom for a very long time. They don't give that royalness to the other animals. Maintaining that consistency is what makes lions unique compared to the other animals. And lion have a very characteristics that they fight until their last breath. They don't give up that easily. They fight. They tend to protect their territory. They know where is their limits. They don't cross their limits, nor they will let others cross their limits. So that is the uniqueness of the lions. So our team resembles more of that characteristics. That is why we chose to keep the name as Team Pride. Now, one of a member of the Pride, Ume Kubra, will be introducing the team members.
Oh, good.
So one more thing, sir, before adding up, now at present, the poster which we have given over there in the Instagram, that is holding 186 likes, sir.
186, good. Within India or outside, anybody is there?
No, sir, it is from different states, but.
Okay, good. Okay, over to my.
Okay, Kubra, you can take over.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, my dear friends. Myself, Kubra, and my other Team Pride member, Razvi, will be introducing about our teammates. We kept all our teammates a nickname based on their characters. The first Team Pride member is Tejaswini HM. We kept a nickname for Tejaswini as Handly Woman. because she's really helpful for everyone.
Oh,
When the
nice.
person faces, she's the first person to come forward and support them and solve the problem. And she has supported me a lot because I was from computer science background. I didn't have much much knowledge about accounts. She was the person who helped me in that in a easy and interesting way to learn accounts.
Good.
She's very hardworking person and helpful person. And the other team pride member is Saqib Chaudhry. Says Saqib Hassan Razvi.
Yes.
As we kept a nickname for him as Bro because he's the eldest person in our team. So we called him as a bro. From the first trimester, we all were in the same teams for everything. So from that time, we had a habit of calling him bro. And we can talk with him with any issue regarding anything, and he'll support us. He's not just a team member, but he's also a bro.
Good.
Now, my friend Razvi will be introducing about other team members. Thank you. Over to Razvi.
You can unmute yourself. Yes, we are unable to hear your voice. Unmute yourself.
Is it visible? Is it audible?
Yes, now it is audible.
Thank you, Kubra, for the wonderful introduction about the other two Pride members. So the next member in our group is our Uday Kumar. He, as we everyone know, that he has been our CR in the first trimester. So that is why we have given him the nickname as Mr. Known to All. And he obviously doesn't need any.
Yes, nice picture of him also. Good, Uday Kumar.
Because he actually, we have given him this nickname as Uday. So we have given him this Mr. Known to all in the CR, and he has been known to all classmates, even in C1 section from the very beginning. And he's also very a major contributor towards increasing our followers in the Instagram page, and that too he did it overnight. It's not like he did it from past 2 days. He did it very overnight. It has increased to roughly around 100 followers. It has been increased due to Uday overnight. And the other thing is that he also had designed the logo that you had seen in the first slide, the Team Pride logo. And Mr. Known to All, as I think everybody in the C2 section knows that Uday has been a role model by our classmate, that Vishal Sarkar. Vishal Sarkar told in Shija ma'am's class that Uday is his role model. So I think being a role model to one of the fellow students, I guess is very, taking pride in it, and it's very, something that we have achieved great. Otherwise, we keep a role model, somebody who is elder to us or somebody, an unknown person. So I think Uday need not any introduction. So that is why we have given him the name as Mr. Known to All. And the last member of our group is our Ume Kubra. This is her LinkedIn profile. We have kept her name as Dearest Zen because as far as I have seen her from the very beginning of the first trimester, that in any situation or like in any tense situation that might be, she have been very calm. She didn't. There was no tense situations on her face. She was very calm member. She used to handle every situation very calmly. So that is why we have given her the, nickname as Dearest Zen. So that is it. Thank you very much. So this was our Team Pride.
Well, now you can start.
Hello everyone, good evening sir. This is me, Yashaswini here. I'm going to introduce my teammates Vishal and Vatsala. This is our team logo with the slogan, kills problems and difficulties. The reason behind choosing the troubleshooters is When we are facing any problems, we have to analyze the problem and solve the solution, solve with a solution. So coming to our practical life also, we have to apply the same thing. So the problem can be solved in a very specified manner. This is our Instagram page, sir. We have a slogan over here also. Let's be troubleshooters rather than being a troublemakers. It's a matter of choice. We are
Only
trending with
71
71
followers.
sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. This is my LinkedIn page, sir. Next will be continued by Vatsala.
Even in your group name, Sunil is missing. You have
He's
mentioned
not
others.
responding, sir.
Why?
I don't know, sir. Not responding. So we didn't mention his name.
It should not be like that, ma. You have to catch hold of him. Whether Sunil, first day I came to class, you shouted with one name. That is that Sunil?
No, sir, that was Kiran. That was Kiran.
Kiran, okay.
He's in C1.
C1, okay. Yes, proceed.
Hi everyone, this is Vatsala. Next.
Yes, proceed.
This is our Insta post where we have posted our logo and received 49 likes and with 4 comments. As of now, thank you. Moving on, Vishal will be taking over.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishal, and the main aim of our team Troubleshooter is to analyze problem, overcome difficulties, and problem solving. However, by doing this project, we grab more experience how to analyze and provide effective solution of any problem of the company or organization in very small time. Rather than hard work, we prefer smart work. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, good. You
Thank
have
you, sir, for giving
small.
an opportunity.
What about all of your LinkedIn pages?
Sir, already.
Yes, I've seen. But everything it is mentioned as 0 connections.
Yesterday night only we have opened this account, sir. As of now, it's 0. We'll make it more.
Okay, good. Very nice, sweet presentation. Good.
Thank you, sir.
The same manner you have to
you, sir.
maintain fiercely. Good. Okay, you can stop sharing. We'll move on to next. Yes, start.
First of all, good evening to our respected Baba sir and also to my fellow Jayantians. Before we start off, I wanted to also tell you that 2 of our members are not available right now because one of them is in his village and there's some network issues, and Pratibha has lost internet connection, so that's why she will not be there, but we'll present on their behalf. So,
Okay.
so this is our team logo and our team name is Synergy. So Synergy, why we have taken up Synergy as our team name is because Synergy means the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. In simple words, it means alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. The word synergy sounds exciting, especially when it is associated with reaching greater heights. And no doubt synergy within team dynamics is absolutely essential. So, synergy is happening when team members are multipliers and not additions, right? When, even if you take an example, multipliers, when you have team members who can contribute in a team to an extent that the team success rate is high, then it adds value to it than just working on an individual basis. So the proof is in the results they are generating. When synergy is happening, there is an inherently higher level of efficiency in production, in creativity, and in producing results overall. And our tagline is doing good together. So this is our social media pages. The first one is our YouTube page, which we've created. The second is our Instagram, and the third is our, the second is the LinkedIn, and the third is the Instagram page. So Instagram page, we haven't mentioned the followers and stuff because we have just created it and we haven't posted the logo picture because it's visible on the profile image. So as we go on to the role activities and all of that, then we'll start posting, and so we won't upset you on the likes and the follows on that.
Oh, nice.
So, yes, sir, surely. So, and we also created a Facebook page, but because of some issues, we couldn't add that in our slides, sir. Pratibha has no network connection, so that's why we lost that. So sorry,
Okay.
sir. Okay, so yeah, coming to the personal introduction, this is my LinkedIn profile. So I'm Neha Tanani, as you all know me, and currently I'm doing my MBA in International Finance in Srishti Jayanti College. So these are my previous LinkedIn.
Oh, very big. You are very famous in LinkedIn so far.
No, not so much. So I've just started using it, and I'm
Okay.
making sure I use it on a daily basis so that I get the professional exposure. So,
Okay,
but yes, so also on the other content which we prepare, I hope everyone supports us, and also we get, enough great number of heights. So these are my licenses, certifications, and also because yesterday you had mentioned to even add if you've done any
Yes,
CSR activities. So that's why the volunteering also I mentioned on that.
Good.
And yeah, thank you, sir.
This is what I expect.
Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, so this is Pratibha, currently because she's not there with us. So her followers currently she has 0 connections because she just created her LinkedIn profile yesterday. So we'll get back on that, sir. And yeah, continuing over to Shoaib.
Good evening, sir. This is Mohammed Shoaib here. So yeah, this is Yashwant Kumar CV's profile. He's the 3rd member of our team. He wouldn't be introducing himself today as he's not present for the summer session. Brief intro about him. He's a mechanical engineer, now pursuing MBA in Srishti Jayanti College to sharpen his skills and communication, and wants to make a career in marketing industry. Just next slide. So yeah, this is my LinkedIn profile. I am Mohammed Shoaib Numan, currently pursuing MBA International Finance in Srishti Jayanti School of Management and Technology. I've completed my Bachelor of Commerce from Shishajipuram Degree College, and I had also been pursuing Chartered Accountancy along with my bachelor's. As Chartered Accountancy was getting prolonged, that is why I decided to take up MBA in International Finance, which is integrated with the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, which is a UK-based professional accounting body. So yeah, to talk about a few of my hobbies, I like reading books, collecting currencies of different countries, and also traveling. Next slide.
Okay, good.
So yeah, this is the team raison d'etre, which basically means the aim of the team. The aim of the team is to get the most excellent out of the people inside the bunch and around us. We as a team strive to get the best out of individuals in whatever they do and make sure that things are channelized to its highest potential state. Thank you, sir.
Okay, what is the name of the team?
Synergy.
Synergy.
Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, without 2 persons, you are introduced nicely. I expect after joining them, your synergy will increase.
Yes,
Good.
sure. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
you. Thank you.
Okay, start the squad.
Can I start, sir?
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity to introduce our team. Our team name is Squadron. Here, firstly, I would like to share you about our logo, our team name, and also our title which we given for our team. The reason why we selected this squadron is all the group members are expected to organize towards performing their task for branding themselves as a manager. As organizing is also a role of manager, we named our team as Squad. Our logo has a logo. The line in the bird represents bonds and connectivity. We together as a team fly higher to over our competitors. Now I would like to hand over this to Sagar to share about the Instagram page and also like him.
Okay.
Good evening, sir. I am myself Sagar. I am from Ballari. I completed my BCom and in Ballari itself, sir. I am very new to Bangalore. And this is our Instagram page, sir. We have created it newly. So we have currently 25 followers and 16 likes on the post.
Good. Now only you are entered At the same time, you are having 25 followers.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is my LinkedIn profile, sir. 33 connections, and I even posted the group logo, sir. We got
Oh,
71
nice.
views and 16 likes.
Mm.
This is my fellow classmate Venkat Durga Prasad, sir.
Whether he is there
And
now?
this is, yes, sir, he is there.
I am unable to see the face. That is why. Okay, you can proceed.
And this is Neha, sir, the one who introduced our team,
Yes.
sir. And this one is Purti. Today she is unwell to attend the meeting, sir. I apologize for that. I will look into that. She will attend the next session.
Okay.
And this is our aim, sir.
Okay, good. Anyhow, it is very short. You have to improve something well, but your method of speaking, everything is nice. Good. Okay, good. Okay, you can start. Pramod, you can start.
Hello.
Yes, we are able to hear.
Yes, sir. Pramod.
You can go from the first slide. Go back.
Pramod, can you go by?
Yes, Pramod, we are able to see and hear. Yes, start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm Prajwal. Good evening, everyone. Here my team logo. Yes, sir. We are. Yes, sir.
Yes, we are able to hear. You can speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here I'm introducing my team name, and here my team logo. And we got why we choose the Conqueror, and we all know that, why we choose the Conqueror, and we all conqueror in the fact of most lives and spend the pursuit of conquering as a business leader. We want to conquer goals like a company growth, higher profitability, and industry recognition. As a people, we all have personal goals that we want to conquer, like being happy and healthy and feeling like what we do that is matter. And here the reason why we choose the conqueror is one of the win and overcome any obstacles, maybe it war or any aspects of the business. That is the reason of the so we choose the team name as a conqueror. And next, Rosa will take over this and share this LinkedIn profile, sir.
Okay.
And here the team members, myself, Rajwal Vankudri, and Rosa SS and Pramod R. Here the team members. We have move to the next slide. Here my LinkedIn profile, myself, Rajwal sir, and
yes, nice. But only one connection.
I'm not able to hear.
Yes, we are able to hear your voice. Proceed.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm Prajwal. I did my graduation BBA at Rani Chennamma University, Belgaum, sir. And now I'm pursuing my degree in this college, Christu Jayanti. And my hobbies are playing cricket and listening music and interesting some making art and craft work, sir. And
at present, whether you are in Belgaum or in Bangalore.
No, sir. I'm from Ilkal, sir. I'm staying in Ilkal only. Okay, sir. But and that's all about me, sir. Next, take over to Rosa, and they introducing us themselves, sir.
Yes, Rosa.
Rosa.
You unmute, Rosa. We are unable to hear your voice.
Sorry, sir.
Your image is there, but yes, now you can proceed.
I'm sorry about it, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, my dear friends. I'm Rosa. Pramod, next slide. This is my LinkedIn profile. To talk about myself, I'm basically from Hassan, but currently staying in Bangalore. I did my graduation in BCom from Jnanajyoti Degree College, Yelahanka, Bangalore. To talk about my strength, I'm a self-motivated, hardworking, and disciplined person. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company. Next slide. Pramod, over to you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Pramod. I bought
I did my PU in Indian Academy PU College and degree in the Kristi Jayanti College itself. I'm pursuing my MBA in the same college, and my hobbies are playing cricket, football, and playing video games. And this is my LinkedIn profile. And our team aim is to enhance and enrich the knowledge of the group as well as the society, seeking a challenge and innovative position in the group, which will maximize the opportunity to implement our skill and knowledge as well as use our capabilities in the best way. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Very nice and small presentation. Good. But
Thank you, sir.
good.
Thank you,
Now
sir.
I can stop sharing. You have to introduce the team members. That's all. Just speed up. We are unable to hear. Unmute yourself.
2 posts, and we have got like 60 followers and 25 likes for each post. And now I would be talking about each member. And this is Ruben. He's finished his BSc in Indian Academy Degree College, now currently doing his MBA in Kristi Jayanti. This is myself and my LinkedIn page. I am Sharon. I finished my BSc in Indian Academy Degree College, and I'm doing my MBA, and the rest would be taken over by Shivaranjani.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, yes.
Ranjini, I have been born and brought up in Bangalore, and this is my LinkedIn profile, which is currently having 20 connections, and I have shared my LinkedIn link also. And the next member of our team is Vikas. He won't be joining today because he's having some network issue. Sharon, can you please move on to the next slide? This is Vikas' LinkedIn profile. Next, Sharon. The aim of our team is to identify individuals' skill set and contribute towards the best to the team. So basically, since we are working as a team, we are getting an opportunity to interact a lot within each other and build up a mutual understanding, and we could understand each other and improve our skill set individually, and we'll make sure that we'll contribute best towards the group, and as a team we'll put up a good show.
Okay.
That's it about our team. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma, you can stop sharing. Now the recording begins. So you are smiling like Bill Gates will appear. I will post to you. Good.
Sunil is wearing a mask in the class.
Somebody is wearing mask. What happened, Sunil? You are wearing mask.
Outside, sir. I came outside.
Okay, good. Okay, bye. Nice to see all of your face. I think same type of smiling will come the next week presentation also. Until then, bye. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.